Hi lovelies, it's Dima again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button on your interface before you leave. Also, please tap the bell icon next to it, as this would notify you on my next uploads. Today we'll be making a hair magic for extreme hair growth. So if you want some magic on your hair, please keep on watching. You're welcome back. So our first ingredient is going to be aloe vera. I plucked a lot of aloe vera because we are going to be needing about half a cup of aloe vera juice. So I started by cutting off the spikes, cutting off the unwanted parts just to get the gel, because we are going to be blending this. I've done this process severally in most of my videos. Need not show you all the processes. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that help strengthen hair. They help an itchy scalp. They protect hair from UV damage. They also promote hair growth. After prepping all the leaves that I got in that bowl, this is what I came up with. This is all the gel that came out from the leaves. So I'll go ahead and blend that and then return for sieving. For the sieving process, I'm going to be using my cheesecloth, a strainer, and a clear bowl to collect my aloe vera juice. So after blending, this is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and transfer that there. The reason for this is to make sure that the white particles that comes with aloe vera gel doesn't get stuck in your hair, and I'm sure you don't want that. So that is why we go ahead and sieve this using cheesecloth. So all the whitish stuff that comes with the gel will be stuck in the cheesecloth, and then you're left with the clear aloe vera juice. So measuring that, I have half cup of aloe vera juice, which I transferred into this bowl, and the next I transferred 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil into the bowl. Next, I transferred 1 tablespoon of organic honey into that. Moving on, my next ingredient is going to be vitamin E capsule. We're going to be making use of vitamin E oil. So it comes in capsule form like this. So I'm going to be making use of 1 capsule like so. So I'm going to cut that open and then release the oil inside. The oil is kind of thick. So I'm going to squeeze that in and then proceed to stir. Stir this thoroughly to make sure that all the ingredients combine well, because honey is sticky, vitamin E oil is sticky. So you just want to make sure that you combine this very well. Next, I'm going to be transferring all of that into my applicator bottle and then give it a good shake again to make sure that all these ingredients marry one another. Moving on, I'm going to be using this and showing you all how this should be used. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. I hereby welcome you specially. I'm going to be using this to saturate my cornrows. This is a proper leave-in conditioner. You can never go wrong with this. With this, you can skip any store-bought leave-in conditioner. Like I was saying, if you're new to this channel, this is Dima Okike. I love to wear cornrows. I love to use natural ingredients to groom my hair. For my hair to be this thick and long, it has been all Ayurvedic herbs all along, and I love it so much. Reason being that they are 100% natural ingredients and they are safe. So I'm using that as a leave-in conditioner, super moisturizing leave-in conditioner, super hydrating leave-in conditioner, and again, this is hair magic. From the ingredients, you already know that this treatment is packed. This treatment is loaded. You can never go wrong with this. It has liquid, which is water. It has aloe vera, which is super moisturizing. It has honey in it, which is also super moisturizing. So if you're scared of using honey in your hair, you can skip honey, but honey is what to make your hair retain all the moisture. If you can't leave this in your hair, because I know most of you may be worried of ants, feel free to use it as a rinse out. Use it as a strengthening treatment on your wash days, which is after using your deep conditioner and rinsing out. Use this to coat your hair, cover up, and allow to sit in your hair for an hour before rinsing out with water. Again, for the storage, you can store this for maximum of 5 days in the refrigerator. After 5 days, this treatment goes rancid. Please discard that. I'm going to be ending this video here. Please, if you have any question regarding this video for me, anything you feel I didn't mention in this video, please leave that in the comment section below. Ask away in the comment section below and I will reply all comments. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon.